welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be replacing the blow-off valves in these soft pipes, the soft boost pipes, whatever they're called. For the hard HKS ones, we're not happy with the R2D2 ones because they suck. The fitment's always screwed up. There's like a bunch of kinks all around, so we're going to replace that.
Do you hate the SARD blow-off valves, or you just hate the way these pipes are all squishy?
And the blow-off valves are kind of quiet. And these new HKS ones, they look pretty cool, and you can customize the sound of them, and they're massive. And then the next thing we're gonna do is the slave or master cylinder?
Master cylinder.
Clutch master cylinder. Where'd you put it?
Why are we doing the master cylinder?
Because it's really hard to put in gear, and the clutch is like, it's always slipping. Because we screwed it up. This is the new master cylinder. Chase Bay's Willwood. Like the brakes.
And we also got the cable too.
We have to do this cable, which is gonna suck because the old one is a hard line, and that's just gonna suck.
Just show them the blow-off valves.
Where are they? This is the piping.
Yeah, and we're running a 2.5-inch intercooler piping, so we'll be able to use these two, but probably not these two.
And I pulled one of them out already. Here we go. And they're gonna sit. Oh yeah.
Pretty.
It says blow-off valve in there. And they're gonna sit like in here somewhere like this. So you can see them from the engine bay. It's gonna look.
Just make sure you have this tool right here if you're gonna do this job. Make it a lot easier. There's C clips, I guess.
Yeah, there's a clip that goes in here in between the pipe. It's gonna hold it in. But yeah, that's what we're doing.
Jonah's gonna start driving this thing to school, so trying to iron out the little kinks. All right, so we got the blow-off valves installed. What I ended up doing, we only used the hard pipes that go right here. We didn't use these hard pipes. I ended up cutting the old Z1 hoses to make this thing fit. Funny enough, when I asked them on the website if these would fit my 2.5-inch intercooler upgrade kit, they said no, but I managed to get it to work, but I was not able to use the hard pipes that go here or the hard pipes that go here. There was kind of an issue, I'm not sure if you saw it in the video, where these things right here clearing right here and right here. So we just took a hammer to this and dented it in a little bit, and now it seems to fit fine. I think what we'll probably do whenever we paint, we'll probably cut that hole out or something to make it fit. I don't know, we'll figure something out. Or we'll just cover that up with a heat shield, which we should have now, we don't. But other than that, it sounds pretty good. Here, Jonah, I'll give you the mic. We'll get a little sound check.
You could totally hear it from in there. It was like, what's?
So overall, I think we're pretty happy with them, and we're not going to do the master cylinder because we're short on time. So,
and we're lazy.
Maybe next video.
Next video.